Hi, welcome to my video on the properties of congruent triangles. Properties of congruent triangles. Definition of congruent triangles. Two triangles having the same size and the same shape. They fit exactly on the top of each other. These two triangles here are, I'm going to use this symbol for congruent. This symbol right here means congruent, or wiggle, with two lines. These two triangles will fit exactly on top of each other. These two triangles will not, but they are said to be similar, and this is a symbol for similar triangles. And these two quadrilaterals are not, they're not congruent because they won't fit on top of each other, and they're not similar because they don't look the same. And if we have two congruent triangles, or triangles are congruent, their corresponding sides are equal or congruent, and the corresponding angles are equal or congruent, whatever way you want to say it. So let's go through some examples. Triangle ABC is congruent to FET. So notice that A goes with F, C goes with E, and B goes with E, C goes with T. So in terms of sides, AB is equal to FE. You match them up. BE goes with ET. And AC goes with FT. That's the sides. As you can see, I have them drawn. A goes with F, B goes with E, C goes with T. So AB, FE, BC, ET, AC, FC. And the angle A goes with the angle F. The angle B goes with the angle E. And the angle C goes with the angle T. So that's based on corresponding sides equal, corresponding angles equal. We have another triangle that has PQR congruent to PQT. Notice this time, PQR, PQT are congruent. So PQ goes with PQ. This PQ is common in each triangle, so it's equal to itself. PR goes with PT, equal to PT, and QR is equal to QT. And when we name the angles, we got three letters here. Now we got, see here in this one, we could say angle A equals angle F because there's only one angle at A. But when we want to name this angle, we can't say angle P because there's two angles at P. So we have to use three letters. So angle PQ, PQR is equal to angle PQT. And angle RPQ, RPQ is equal to TQ, TPQ. So we're matching up the letters. But we can say angle R equals angle T because there's only one angle at R and T. But again, this angle here can be named P or R, P, Q. You have to use the three letters because you can't say P because there's three angles at P. There's R, P, Q is one angle at P. T, P, Q is another angle at P, or is the angle RPT. So there's three angles at P, so you have to name them with three letters. Number 3, we have a quadrilateral. Notice we have inside, quadrilateral is made up of two triangles. So EHW is congruent to AWH. So E goes with A, H goes with W, and W goes with H. I just want to point out here, this angle, PQ, is equal to PQ. These two angles are equal. But notice here, we got to be careful. So we can't say WH equals WH, which is true, is equal to itself. But knowing the quadrilateral, the H here goes with the W in this triangle. And the W in EWH, this triangle, goes with the H. So they're switched. So WH is HW. So EH is equal to AW. EH, notice AW, because E goes with A. This E goes with A, so. And we have HW going with WH, notice. So here, again, we repeat, PQ, because this triangle will fit on this one. PQ goes on PQ, but it's not true here. You have to, if you cut this triangle out of this figure and move it around, then this angle here will go with this angle, and this angle will go with this one to fit exactly on each other. So EW goes with AW. EW, notice AW. And angle E is equal to angle A. Angle E is equal to angle A, but the other angles had to be 3 letters. So EWH, EWH is AHW. And angle EHW, EHW, EHW is AWH. Number 4, we have a triangle ABC congruent to triangle GIP. Angle C is 90, angle AC is 3, AB is 5, angle P is 47, and IP is 4. So to help us out, let's draw, we got a right angle at C. So let's draw ACB with a right angle there. So if the two triangles are congruent, that means that we have to draw the other one with a right angle. And A goes with G, so A goes with G. C goes with I, C goes with I. And B goes with P, B goes with P. Now, if C is 90, angle AC is 3, AB is 5, angle P is 47, and IP is 4. So if they're congruent, that means that if this is AC is 3, that means that GI is 3. If AB is 5, AB is 5, GP is 5. And if IP is 4, IP is 4, CP is also 4. So all the sides are equal. And that means that if this is 47, angle B is 47. And all the angles of a triangle add up to 180, so that's a 90. So these two add up to 90. So this is 43, and this one is 43. Now I can fit this in easier. So angle I is 90. Angle P is 47. And angle A is 43. And angle G is also 43 because they're equal. GI is 3. GP is 5. And CB is 4. So drawing the triangles helps me match up all the measurements, the angles and the sides. Okay, state the congruency relation for each pair of congruent triangles. So if we have GF is equal to GT, and angle G equals angle C, and angle P is equal to angle X. So if I start with the angles, notice that G is equal to C. So if I take G, is going to go with C. P is going to go with X. That means that GF equals C. G is going with C, so F got to go with T. So F got to go with T as the group. And let's do another one. We have angle A in a pair of congruent triangles. A goes with W. Notice that A goes with W, so B got to go with F. So if I do A in this triangle and W in this one, so if A goes with W, B got to go with F. So B goes with F. And what letters left over? Well, I got an A, a B, I got a C. So C goes with V as congruent triangles. Number 3, we have some markings. Notice that we have a quadrilateral. PE is marked equal to KL, and angle P is equal to angle K. So let's take this triangle. Let's take the triangle EPK. EPK is a triangle. Now we have another triangle, but how do they match up? Well, if we got P is going with K, because these are equal angles, P is going with K. So if we got PK, so we got EP, that means, and we got P is going with K, that means L has to go with the E. So it must be LKP. Notice that you have these two sides equal. This is equal to itself because it's common, but it's not PK. It's PK equal to KP, because what will happen is this angle here will end up to be equal to this one. And this angle E goes with this one. So the triangles had to be flipped around to form the following. So E got to go with L. Again, be careful. P goes with the K, and in this triangle, the P goes with the K in different triangles. So just be careful when you're naming those triangles, because they got to be congruent. Notice this is a similar figure, but these two angles are equal. And these two sides are equal. So triangle, let's name the triangle ABF. If you name the triangle ABF, then B goes with B, so B is in the middle. So that means that AB goes with CF, so A goes with C. So that means F goes with F. Notice that BF is common to BF because these two angles are equal here. So that means this way it follows. So that angle, so angle AFB is equal to CFB. And that means that angle A goes with angle C. Practice. Fill in each blank correctly. And when we say practice, normally practice means after you're okay with naming these, then you can pause the video and work your answers out and press playback. Here we go. Triangle HPA is congruent to triangle BEC. H goes with B, so HP goes with BE, and AP goes with CE, and BC goes with HA. And angle H goes with angle B. Angle P goes with angle E. Angle A goes with angle C. And like before, we have triangle KPM is congruent to triangle ACE. So let's see, we got draw a triangle now. Let's make the angle 110 degrees looking like 110. So it says angle K is 110. Okay. Angle C is in the other triangle. KP is 4, but we got K, P. Let's go with P here. Let's go with M here. So the other triangle is congruent to that, so we'll draw it so look like it's going to fit. So K goes with A, P goes with C, and M goes with E. So the triangles are drawn hopefully to be congruent. So angle K is 110, angle C is 40, KP is 4, KM is 6, and CE is 8. So they're congruent to each other. The angles are all matched up correctly. So that means that this angle is 110, 40, 150. So that's a 30. So that's a 30, and that's a 40. That's a 4. PK is 4, so CA is 4. KM is 6, so AE is 6. And CE is 8, so PM is 8. Now we can fill them all in. We have AE is 6. AC is 4. PM is 8. Angle P is 40. Angle E is 30. Angle M is 30. And angle A is 110. So we filled in all the corresponding sides are equal, all the corresponding angles are equal. So notice in this one, to do it right, not make a mistake, draw one triangle congruent to the other and fill in their letters, and then it works that way. I find that way easy, an easy method to work. Fill in each blank correctly. We have the triangle in this diagram. Notice XWT is congruent to XWA. So if I didn't look at this diagram at all, WX goes with, XW goes with XW. XT goes with XA. WT goes with WA. Angle T goes with angle A. If we got one letter here, you can have one letter here. So TXW goes with AXW. Angle. And angle XWT angle goes with XWA. And just see if we're correct. Angle T goes with angle A, right? And TXW is this angle. That goes with AXW. Okay. And angle XWT is this one. Goes with XWA. XWA goes with XW. XWT goes with XW. Oh, I filled in T twice. So XWT goes with XWA. Correct. That's an A there. Again, I always say to my students, watch out for mistakes and tell me about them. And I'm sure when I didn't put the A here correctly, you noticed it right away, but I correct myself. B, state the correct congruency relation for each pair. The congruency relation is the two triangles are congruent to each other. So I got angle C equals angle T. So that's C going with T. If C goes with T, then A got to go with Q. A goes with Q. And B got to go with R. So C goes with T correctly. AC goes with QT. AC, QT. BC goes with RT. BC, RT. Correct. So I haven't done right. And number 2, we have the triangles, two pairs of triangles. We have angle A equals angle P. we have these two, AO equals PO, and we also have this angle is equal to this one by vertically opposite angles. So if you take triangle AOB, AOB is congruent to A goes with P, O goes with O because of vertically opposite angles, so that means the B got to go with the V. Number 3, we have again two triangles, and we have M, this angle M here is equal to this one. This angle here is right angle, so they're equal. And so they fall upon each other perfect. So if I name MTA, so M goes with M, T goes with T because the right angles are equal. So A must go with H. And number 4, we have, let's see what we have here. We have a pair of parallel lines. We have these WY goes with FY. So we have this angle right here is equal to this one. So Y goes with Y, vertically opposite angle. Because of the parallel lines, we have this angle right here equal to this one because of alternate interior angles equal. And we also have this angle equal to this one. So W goes with F because they're alternate interior angles. So if I go with WXY triangle, W goes with F, X goes with E, and Y goes with Y. Vertically opposite angles equal. So just check. I got WY equal to FY. WY, FY. So the triangles are marked as, labeled as congruent. That's the correct matching. And that's just naming the properties of the congruent triangles, what parts corresponding, sides equal, corresponding angles equal. If you like my video, click the like button, the subscribe button, notification bell. Visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Thank you for viewing my video. Bye-bye.